Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the list of some, just the, mouthful. I'm going to show you plugins. So, I'm going to bring this over so you can see all the plugins. That has a desk main menu. So, we'll start off by doing the show in FTP window, which will show this window. It is confusing if you don't know how to use it. Let me open up my shortcut, my document map. Then right here we've got preview HTML. So if you're programming in HTML, which I'll maybe do I'll teach how to program in that later on. If you like this video enough, I'll do HTML previews. Not HTML preview, I'll program in HTML also. So, but since this is not HTML, it is BAT, it will not show any preview available. Right here, we've got our quick open, which right now needs to be configured. I'll show you how to configure things. Reload files, so if your files have some code to adding things fast, you can click reload and it will sort of fastly restart Notepad++. Here, but you can't do it when you install plugins. Here it's shell execute current file. So the current file you are on, it'll open it up. I'm going to use this a lot. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to plugins, and all these ones are ones that are not here, but some of them are. So here's every one. So here's my autosave one. It is very, 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 very helpful. So it'll autosave when Notepad++ loses the focus at timed intervals. So every 5 minutes it'll focus, and it'll save only the current file. Or you can do all open files. Ignore the files that are huge though. Named files, just override the same one, just because it just does what this button does up here in the corner. And then unnamed/new files, it'll ask for a file name every 5 minutes. So if you could see on the other video on how I show you the settings and plugins list, it showed right here that the new one, it wanted me to save it a lot. It's because I kept hitting ignore, and it kept wanting to ask me for a file name. So that's why I did that a lot. Now, DSPL, spell check, it's just a spell check one. MIME is just decode and encode type stuff, confusing, it comes with it. Converter, you can do a SCII to hex or the other way around. NBP, export, it connects to these type of things. Then this one is just a focus type thing. Quick color picker, it'll help with your colors typing if you want more color type stuff, and visit the website to help out. Task list is what we got in the last video, and we will go through the configure settings in a little bit. Plugin manager, it is just where you get your plugins. Preview HTML this is where it is. What happened? Preview HTML. So yeah, you can just set that up. Quick open plugin, there's that one. Reload button is just reloads file, which you saw there. Run me, which is that one. It'll run the program. Select and launch, and speech. So what we're going to do real fast, we're going to do speech and task list, show task list, configuration, plugins, task list, reload task list configuration. So what does task list do? Show task list. There's nothing here because we need to add to it. So what we can do is right click on a file, and it will say move to a new instance, and you can move it all thing. Pretty nice. So there's task list. So now let me open the document up. So that's one. Then speech. Speech selection, speech document, stop speech, pause speech, resume speech. So it'll just read this. So speech document. Did you hear that? Probably not. Plugins, speech,
settings, plugins.
plugins. So yeah, and what we're going to do now is we will show how to add, well, can we do this? Maybe we can. Right click. No, you cannot do that. I'm trying to move it over to try to get it into here, but it does not work. So yeah, that's how you can do the plugins thing. If you want to plugin manager, you can look for updates to your plugins, install the plugins. So right here, I do not need this one anymore, and I do not need this one anymore, and I do not need this one anymore, and I do not need, what ones do I, this one anymore. So then you can go to remove, and then you click yes. We'll reload your thing. And there you go. You took away a lot of those dumb ones that you don't need. So yeah. Thanks for watching and peace out.